How to redeem birthday gift Sephora. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem birthday gift in Sephora. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Is there a better way to celebrate your birthday than with free stuff? Well, Sephora does not think so. They like to celebrate their clients by offering a gift during their birth months. As long as you are signed up for a rewards program known as being Beauty Insider, you can choose a gift from their yearly birthday selection to take home for free. Log in to your Beauty Insider account. Those signed up for Sephora's shopping rewards are called Beauty Insiders, and only those with an account can redeem a birthday gift. So, sign up or sign in into your account on Sephora.com. Now, in order to claim your birthday gift online, you must buy something. Treat yourself to a birthday lip gloss, conditioner, or hair mask and add it to your cart. There is no minimum purchase amount, so order whatever merchandise you'd like, no matter if it's big or small. Next, proceed to check out and select Redeem Your Rewards option above the items in your cart. Pick the gift that you'd like to place and place your order as usual. If the birthday gifts don't appear in your Redeem Your Rewards tab, it may be because it is not your birth month or the wrong month listed in your Beauty Insider account. So, this is how you can redeem birthday gift on Sephora. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button. Comment if you have any queries and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.